AST Spacemobile, ticker symbol ASTS, announced an ambitious plan to launch between 45 and 60 satellites into orbit by 2026. According to the company's roadmap, at least 5 orbital launches are scheduled to take place by the first quarter of 2026, with liftoffs expected to occur roughly every 1 to 2 months. Founder and CEO Abel Avellan confirmed that the plan is fully funded, aiming to serve markets across the US, Europe, Japan, and other strategic regions, including government contracts. Notably, AST Spacemobile has already secured 8 contracts with the U.S. government as an end customer. Despite reporting a soft Q2 with a 41 cents per share loss on $1.16 million in revenue, the company remains optimistic about its future prospects. Although operating expenses rose to $74 million, management expects to generate $50 million to $75 million in revenue in the second half of 2025, driven by both government and commercial clients. The revenue growth is notable, with a nearly 29% year-over-year increase. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.